Life is busy, we get tired, it's easy to fall into laziness. We delay tasks, we procrastinate, we waste time. This struggle is universal. But for believers, there's a powerful solution: remembering Allah. This remembrance is not passive, it's a source of energy, it's a call to action, it's the key to unlocking our potential. And it can all start with a single word: Bismillah. Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Simple words, profound meaning. When we say Bismillah, we acknowledge Allah's presence. We seek His blessings. We invite His guidance. This act, though small, is transformative. It shifts our mindset from idleness to purpose. It reminds us that our time is valuable, that our actions have meaning. Bismillah is the spark that ignites the fire of action. Imagine a phone, low on battery. It's sluggish, unresponsive, but when you connect it to a charger, it comes alive. Similarly, our souls need connection. We need the energy that comes from remembering Allah. This remembrance takes many forms: prayer, Quran recitation, reflecting on His signs. Each act is a recharge. It fuels our spirit. It gives us the strength to overcome laziness and pursue good. Section 4. Quranic inspiration, real-life transformation, proof in action. The Quran is not just a book of guidance. It is a source of inspiration that has the power to transform lives. The Quran is filled with examples of those who achieved great things through faith and action. From the early followers of Islam to contemporary believers, the stories of transformation are countless. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, despite facing immense challenges, never gave up. His journey from Mecca to Medina, known as the Hijrah, is a testament to his unwavering faith and determination. His dedication inspires us to strive for excellence. His life teaches us that with faith, perseverance, and hard work, we can overcome any obstacle. In our own lives, we see the power of Bismillah every day. This simple phrase, meaning "in the name of Allah," is a reminder to seek divine guidance in all our endeavors. The student who starts their studies with this word finds focus. It helps them to center their thoughts and approach their work with a clear mind and a determined heart. The entrepreneur who begins their venture with this phrase finds success. By invoking Allah's name, they seek blessings and guidance, which often leads to fruitful outcomes. These examples remind us that Allah's help is always near. Whether in moments of joy or times of hardship, turning to Allah provides comfort and strength. The Quran and the teachings of Prophet Muhammad serve as a beacon of hope and a guide for living a fulfilling life. Section 5. From laziness to legacy. Small steps, big impact. Overcoming laziness is a journey. It's not something that happens overnight, but with consistent effort, you can transform your habits. It starts with small steps. Each small action you take builds momentum and brings you closer to your goals. Begin by saying Bismillah before every task. This simple act invites blessings and sets a positive intention for whatever you do. Make time for prayer and Quran. These spiritual practices ground you and provide the strength needed to overcome laziness. Surround yourself with positive influences. The people you interact with can either uplift you or drag you down. As you progress, you'll find your energy increasing. Your procrastination will decrease, and you'll feel more accomplished. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Each small victory builds your confidence and motivates you to keep going. Remember, even small acts of worship, done consistently, can have a profound impact. These actions not only benefit you, but also inspire those around you. Section 6. Your journey begins now. Embrace the power of Bismillah. As the sun rises and a new day begins, let the words Bismillah be the start of your journey. Don't let laziness hold you back. Each morning as you struggle to get out of bed, remember that saying Bismillah can transform your mindset. Look at your to-do list with determination and put away distractions. Embrace the power of Bismillah. Let it be the first words you utter as you open a book to write, or as you raise your hands in prayer. It is a reminder that you are not alone in your endeavors. Let it be your guide, your motivator, your source of strength. Start today. Take that first step. Whether you are lacing up your running shoes, starting a new project at your desk, or beginning a workout, let Bismillah be the force that propels you forward. Allah will bless your efforts and guide you towards a life of purpose and productivity. In moments of prayer, in focused work, and in community efforts, the power of Bismillah will be your constant companion. Remember, The greatest legacy we can leave behind is not what we own, but what we do for the sake of Allah. Teaching the young, volunteering to clean a park, or helping someone in need, these are the actions that define our true legacy. Let's make every moment count. As you look at the clock, spend time with family, or reflect during a sunset, let Bismillah remind you to make every moment meaningful and purposeful.